Hello everyone, and welcome back to ALLTO PythonParts channel. Okay, now let's define some parameters for the rebars. Concrete cover will be 50 millimeters for side, bottom, and top. We have the ability to switch layers between longitudinal rebars and transverse rebars if needed. In this tab, we can select to create U-pin just at the bottom or also for the top, and closed stirrups are what I need. I will define hook length 160 millimeters and hook angle 90 is good. Diameter is 12 millimeter. In some cases, we can add an inner stirrup with custom width, but in this case, it's unnecessary. Spacing is 150 millimeters and no need for 3 placements for stirrups, so I don't tick these options. That's fine. Let's move to the next tab for longitudinal rebars. With these bars, I will define spacing 150 millimeters and diameter 60 millimeters. No need for a hook at 2 heads of the foundation, so skip these options. Okay, the same for rebars at the top. Maximum length 40 meters and lap length 1 meters are okay. And the next type, side rebars. With side rebars, I will define 3 bars for each side, and diameter 60 millimeters. Okay, the last type is starter rebars. We have some walls above with the width is 240 millimeters, so I input 240 here. Rebars will be created at the center of the strip with this option ticked. For the type of starter, we have 4 selections and I will select U-pin. With the length counted from the top of the strip is 750 millimeters. Concrete cover 50 millimeters for all sides. Spacing 150 and diameter is 12 millimeters. And now click this button to start creating reinforcement. I decide to create for strip foundation in horizontal with the PythonParts name 1 and in vertical with the PythonParts name 2. This will be helpful because normally rebars in strip in a direction will be the same. So if we need to update the rebars in the PythonParts, we don't need to do it one by one. I will show you later. Next, we will create sections and labels for these strip foundations. Double-click and open the interface. Here in the Section tab, I will define parameters for the section. Foundation name 1. Don't forget to save this. Now move to the Label tab to define parameters for the label. Distance from label to the section. And for the label option, we can tick these options to define which will be displayed. And to create a label and section, I click this button. Select drawing number that will contain rebars and contain section with label. To create, just click a point in the plan view.